Well, I got a brand new battery that I bought for a customer's car that I haven't installed yet. Never used. So we'll do a February 1st cold start on my diesel van and see what happens. It hasn't been running since November, because that's when I bought that van. Let's do it. I gotta get in this door, there's too much snow on that side. Alrighty. Well, here we go. That's a 1.6 turbo diesel Jetta motor I've got in this van. This is the world's most fuel efficient van. It goes 1,500 kilometers on one tank of fuel, and that's the original tank. Let's see if she starts. Alrighty. 470,000 kilometers. 5-speed. Alright, cold start lever on. Now I have to hold the glow plug button. That'll hold that for about 15 or 20 seconds. Okay, we'll give her a try.
Come on. There we go.
Definitely a cold sounding diesel to me.
That not the fucking craziest, man. Oh my god. Something else.
Lots of room in there, isn't there?
Where's the motor? Stand a little bit closer.
There's enough room in there to transport Mexicans across the border.
Yeah, right. Filled with condoms.
Oh yeah. Yep, yep. Well, let's celebrate. Who needs a fridge when you can keep your beer cold everywhere in Canada? Well, let's shut her down. Cool.